let's go through with our next chapter, that is chapter 7, Monuments of National Importance. Any structures, or you can say sculpture, inscription, which is in existence for not less than 800 years is termed as ancient. A monument of a national importance is designated by the Archaeological Survey of India. Okay, in this we are going to see about the ancient monuments of the national, okay, which are 100 years old or more than 100 years. Let's see, the first one is Old High Court Building, Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is situated in Nagpur, Maharashtra. The old High Court building came up in 1891-93 in Nagpur, then capital of the Central Provinces, and Berar to house the Judicial Commissioner's Office. However, in 1936, the Judicial Commissioner's Office was closed for some reasons. The government took a decision to house the High Court in his building after the High Court had moved over to the new building in 1940. This came to be known as Old High Court Building. Next is Nimrana, Bauri, Rajasthan. Nimrana is an ancient historical town in Alwar district of Rajasthan, India, 84 km from Goregaon and 122 km from Delhi and 150 km from Jaipur on the Delhi-Jaipur highway in Nimrana Tehsil. It is between Berar and Shahjahanpur. Nimrana is an industrial hub. The next one is Hathi Khana, Agra. In Agra, the two Mughal era structures including Haveli of Aga Khan and Hathi Khana, both located on the eastern side of the Taj Mahal, have been declared as the monuments of the national importance by the Ministry of Culture. The next one is Ranipur Jerial Temple, which is located in Odisha. Visitors were to ruins of Ranipur Jerial, about 110 km from Balangir, are welcomed by a signboard outside the entrance of the 64 Yogini temple that reads, "This monument has been declared to be of a national importance and protected under the Ancient Monument and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958 of 1958. Anyone inflicting any kind of damage to this monument is liable for prosecution." And the next one is next temple, that is Vishnu Temple in Kotali, which is located in Uttarakhand. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, but includes in its small footprint images of various gods and goddesses such as Shiva, Parvati, Kartikeya, Brahma, Indra, river goddess Ganga and Yamuna, as well as the panel showing 5 Pandavas of the Hindu epic Mahabharata. And the last one is Haveli of Aga Khan, which is located in Agra. Aga Khan was Khwaja Sara who served Mumtaz Mahal and also held the post of Fauzdar of Agra till 1652 and later its suburbs. He also held the post of Mutawalli of the Taj Mahal. So you have to in this look at the picture and the write names of the monuments. Hope you understand the video. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.